My name is Vicki Lord Larson. I'm a program manager with Health Education Network. Today I'm talking with Dr. Anita Marcotte, a speech and language pathologist who is specializing in working with children and young adults with various types of communication disorders. She just finished presenting a health education program entitled Speech and Language Interventions to Support the Common Core Standards, Bridging the Gap Between General and Special Education. Well, I know today you had many questions and comments, and your audience was very interactive with you. Was there a question that wasn't asked today that you wished would have been asked so you had an opportunity to talk a little bit more about some element of speech and language pathology?
I think if somebody asked me, if it was a perfect world and you were the queen in it, how would you change things? And I think for me, to make us more approachable and more of an integral part of the general education community, that even though I addressed it to some degree, I think that there are many ways that we should investigate and try, and to talk about ways of trial and error, that it doesn't always work with the first, second, or third person we try co-teaching or collaborating with, that as long as we keep trying and we're flexible. In this field, you absolutely have to be flexible. It is a dynamic, changing field, and we have different expectations on an ongoing basis. And so we have to be flexible. We have to change our role. We have to change our approaches in order to meet the needs of our students and also to support our colleagues.